Hello everybody, my name is Mark Watson. I work at NATS, the UK air traffic service provider, where I'm involved in the integration of uncrewed aircraft in the airspace. And this year I've been delighted to be part of the judging panels for Airwards. It's been a really great opportunity to read so many positive stories about how drones are delivering benefits to people and businesses around the world. And I really suggest you go onto the Airwards website and read some of these stories yourself. I'm now going to announce the winner of the Airspace Management Award in the Operations Group. And the winner is Queensland University of Technology for the submission of Australian Drone Facilities Map. Well done.
Hi, I'm Aaron McFadden, and on behalf of QUT and our project partner Air Services Australia, we really wanted to thank you for this award. Our project worked out how to use advanced risk analysis techniques to automatically generate facility maps that show safe drone operating altitudes within 5 kilometres of major aerodromes. The project involves software developers, risk specialists, researchers and many more, and our maps have now enabled hundreds of drone operations in numerous airports. We really appreciate the recognition for our achievements and wanted to say a big thanks again to the Airwards team.